welcome to Sophie and Pinay
We are ready because we are going to a birthday
party!
Yeah guys, masama ang boses ko guys kasi not feeling well tayo. Pero pupunta pa rin tayo sa birthday party kasi invited tayo at ready na kami. So guys, see you later. Dadalhin ko kayo guys doon sa birthday party guys. Kung ano man ang mga pangyayari doon.
Bye! Tara, let's!
Guys, we're going. Oh, it's very
How about
hot.
our OOTD?
Hi guys, we're now in the building and going up waiting for the elevator.
Wow, I look
So, guys, see you later guys.
up in the room.
In the party.
Party!
Because it starts 5 o'clock guys, but now it's going to 6. Here's our elevator guys. Yes, going up.
Yeah.
28, right?
Yeah.
20 or 28? 20.
23,
Press the button for the desired floor.
Yes.
23, right?
2308, yeah?
Yeah, 23 OA. OA.
Nakita niyo na tong bahay na to guys every time. Guys, yung boses ko guys, pasensyahan nyo na kasi not feeling well si Pinay. And this is we are. Go there. Here. This is we are.
Whoa.
Now we are landed.
Yeah.
Okay. This is it guys. Okay guys. We're going up. Guys, ganito yung dito guys sa building. Yan, meron doon. Kasi wing to guys, A, B, C, wing. What? Yeah. Nalito-lito na si Sophie. Saan siya pupunta? Kasi guys, it's a birthday today. So makiki-birthday tayo guys. Kaya wala sa mode yung boses natin. Ilalaban natin to guys. Kainan na guys. Oh, this is it. So we're in the door na. Doorbell sa si. Asan na yung ibang bisita mo, Sil? Kumusta? Another brother. Ay! Panalo na! Wala na!
Sanay ko sa sisirana.
If you win, do not leave your hands, guys.
Kasi! Sasi out. Sasi out, yeah.
Sassy out. Get one chair.
Because you didn't listen. You did not listen and you sit down already and you did not sit yet.
Okay. Go dance, guys. Dance.
Are you out? Yes, we
I'm not yet.
No, not yet. Okay.
这个你去车地
Here's the
Okay,
music.
stand up, guys. Stand up. Dance, dance, dance. Like this, dance. Like this. Dance, okay na lang, mag-ikan dance tayo, pre.
You make like this.
The winner will get 50 euros.
Okay, remove one chair, please, guys.
Okay.
So it's now Yasmin, Ate Shane, and Athena. Okay, far away in the
Walang dog dance dyan.
Go.
Mamaya, mamaya.
Okay, ready, dance.
Let's dance.
Okay, you run and then 50 dirhams is waving.
Grabe si Mami magbalot. Oh, walang effort. Lagayan na pandesal.
Okay, what is it? Wow!
Milo!
It's Milo! What can you say?
Thank you.
Okay, next. Which one you want?
Yes.
Okay, this one. This gift is from Kuya Kim and me. Okay, open it.
Wow!
Wow! Genius! What can you say?
Purple yata po ito. Kulay ito ah. Ano pagod ako eh.
Ako din, gamitan ako.
Okay, next, this one. Which one, Julia? Okay. This gift is
Nilapitan ako ni Sasi.
from Daddy. Okay. Let's open it. What's
Ito,
inside?
sabi ko, katuwaan lang yan.
Kasi may parking.
Wow! What is that? Cinnamon rolls? Nice.
Pam pam rak pam 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 pam.
This one from
Uncle, ano
Owen and Ate Jane. Okay.
Gosh!
What's inside? What's inside?
Uy,